We got goodies. We got goodies. We're out here. We're in Houston, Texas. We're at We Code It. Texas is number one-stop shop.
One-stop shop
for Surron upgrades, powder coating.
All accessories.
And sometimes side-by-sides.
Sometimes.
If you're lucky, you can get your side-by-side in here. But it's not going to be ready for the Mega Ride.
Oh, no.
We got a little gift from GLE, Green Line Engineering. And these guys are a huge supporter of the channel. And I hit up Josh and I said, Josh, thank you so much for the back 4,000. So fast and so nice. Can I go faster, please? And he said, we'll send you an 8,000. We'll send you an 8,000 that's already tuned to 15K. And then I also, at the last second, I said, can I get an egg rider? He said, sure. And he threw in an egg rider too. So we got all kinds of goodies in here. Oops. Let's be very careful with all of this cool stuff. For you?
That's for me.
Some plates. Oh, some hardware. We're not being gentle. Oh, there it is. There's the egg rider.
There's some gloves.
Egg rider.
Egg rider.
Who names it that? Oh, and their new heat sink. Ooh.
Wow.
Off and unplugged.
We're gonna need that out too, because
Oh, the battery?
yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the harness just for shits.
Just because you're a nice guy?
Yeah.
And you're worried about my safety?
It's very concerning, and while we're in there, we'll put the new power cable. You dig? Why is this throttle so sticky?
Because it's brand new. That's what I thought too. Oh, like sticky. Because I just put...
She's not snapping.
No, it's because of you. You touched it with your sparkly fingers, remember? I thought that's what it was.
My sparkly fingers
Yeah, you had
jammed up your throttle.
You had sparkly powder-coated fingers and you touched my throttle.
It was a big metallic day. Alright. Let us begin.
Fun little fact about GLE is that I have a promo code for the back 8,000.
Ooh, but what is it, Dylan?
Well, that's funny you should ask. It's Dylan 8K100. For $100 off, you're back 8,000. And I'm the only affiliate who has a $100 off coupon right now.
$100. That's impressive. It's a strong code.
But if you want the 8,000 or anything else there, you can use Dylan GLE5 for 5% off. Dang, this is a big beefy boy.
Thick.
More weight. You know how much I love having a heavy Surron? Can we also fix this USB while we're in here? Oh, look at, I don't know how this happened.
I mean, I can't fix that.
That doesn't need to be fixed. It just looks bad.
This doesn't work though.
Does not work.
Okay.
That was pretty intimate the way you touched it like that. Ew, stop.
Alright.
Dave, this bike did not come back the same way that it left your shop.
This is very true.
It's gone through some but hey, I'm using it.
Hey man, that's what it's built for.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see that you getting the full use out of this machine. It's the way it was intended. Battery cable replacement in full effect.
You know what I think happened here? I think I just pumped up my air shim too much. Pumped my air shim right into that.
You shimmed it out, dude.
right into my cigarette lighter.
That's what happens.
Should I grab the egg rider? Are we at the egg rider stage?
Grab the egg.
You didn't like using your phone?
I barely used the phone. I just didn't like having the mount on the handlebars, just because it got in the way of my stunts. And
Big stunt guy now.
I'm a big stunt guy now.
You can't sit with us!
Look,
Oh, nice. Egg.
we're egged up.
That was exhilarating.
Okay. Let's put a battery in it. Step on those nice shoes. Those are pretty fresh.
These are my doctors.
Oh.
Forgot about
This
that.
is a little tangled. I'll fix that. 72, Bubba.
15,000 watts. That's crazy.
550.
550 amps, is that a good,
Spicy boy.
is that max?
That's
Battery voltage 20 seconds, 72 volts.
20S.
20S, what's that?
She's ready, dude. She's about to jump out the lift, bro. Yum, yum.
Wait, so now it's more than a dragon. It's a demon. It's something scarier.
It's a devil dragon. So 9 is all 15.
9 is what it's at.
9 is you're to the metal,
Okay.
and then you can dial her down. You know, so if you're going for the no hands, you probably want to be like at 6.
All right. We are on a 15 kilowatt back 8,000 72 volt Surron.
72,000!
We are at a rolling pace. How fast are we going?
24?
24. I'm gonna pin it.
Huh?
I'm gonna pin it.
Okay.
Stupid fast. Oh my god. Terrifyingly fast. Did you see that? I had so much more to go. Oh, that was scary. I didn't want to hit the boys. I didn't want one of the brothers to swerve in front of me. Man, that was fast. Unnecessarily fast. Stupid, unnecessarily fast. Stupid in a good way, obviously. Thank you, GLE. Thank you, GLE.